Hello and welcome to FNW Online Training. Thank you for joining us in the effort to provide healthy food and nutrition to students across Florida. If you have completed the online training courses before, you will notice there have been some major changes recently. This video will guide and inform you on how to navigate the new training system. First, we will begin with the FNW Online Training website, where you will find the link to access the online training platform. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the training login page. Here, you will have a few options. You can create a new account, or if you have already registered, you can log in directly, or if you've forgotten your information, you can recover your password. This option will send you a new password in your email. If you need any further assistance, you can contact the online training help personnel with the information below. To log in, all non-FDAX employees must use the non-FDAX employee option. Once you click that option, the system will allow you to enter your user credentials. If you have not yet registered for training and do not have an account, select the Create Account option below the Sign In button. Then you will be directed to the registration page. Enter your information as requested in each field of the form. For the affiliation section, select if you are an FDAX employee. If you do not work for the Department of Agriculture, you must select I am not an FDAX employee. Then select your county and sponsor location. After you completed the form, click the Register button. Once you log in, you will be directed to the course catalog of the training website. Here you will see a complete listing of all available courses. If you've already registered for a course, you will see a blue Enrolled button on the course image. Otherwise, it will have a green Register button. To view a summary of each course, click on the Info button to learn about the course. To select a course, click the Register button. This will add the course to your cart. To confirm your selection, select Proceed to Checkout, then select Confirm. You will see a confirmation that you have successfully enrolled in the course. Next, go to your dashboard page on the left side of the screen to access the course. Once there, the new course will appear in your active course list. You may select the course at any time to begin. If you completed a course and want to view your certificate, you may do so by clicking on the desired course in the Completed Courses section. Then click on Download Certificate in the Course Options bubble. From here, you can also retake the course. To view your transcript, click on Print Transcript in the left side menu. Then select the Download button in the top right of the screen. If you wish to change your account information, click on the Edit Account button in the left menu. Here you can change your name, email address, and your password. To change your password, you must first check the Change My Password option. Then the Password section will become available. I hope this video is helpful to you as you complete online training. If you have any questions and need further assistance, please contact Ebony Jackson at ebony.jackson@fdax.gov or by phone at 850-617-7461.